Hi everyone, any guesses what these are? Yes, you're right. These are the nozzles used for cake decorations. In this video, we're going to learn how you can make different designs using these 10 nozzles. So let's get started. First, we are going to make these beautiful rose flowers. You can also make these design as well using this nozzle. Second, we are going to use this nozzle. The cuts are very dense and you will get this design. Third, look at the cuts. These are very small. That is why you will get this design at the end. Fourth, you are going to get this deep V-cut nozzle. These are great for large design like this, and look, it's done. On number 5th, we are going to use this nozzle. The curves are edgy. You will get this design when you remove the cream. This is my personal favorite. Look how pretty the designs are looking. You will get this beautiful leaves texture, and second, you can also make this design as well. So pretty. And this nozzle, you can remove the cream in a bulk and you will get this design at the end. Here you can also use this nozzle and you will get these curvy design. Here we are also using this cuts. They are very dense and the edges are curvy as well, and it is looking pretty as well. Finally, we are going to use this nozzle and you will get this pattern. The waves are looking very pretty, and look, these are the design you can get from these different nozzles. You can also screenshot them and they will be very helpful for your cake decoration. So do try this at home. Look at these different nozzles, how pretty these are looking. Let's learn how you can make different designs for cake decoration in this video. Here we are going to put the cream cone inside the nozzle one like this. Hold it tightly. Now remove the cream and you will get this beautiful design at the end. Using this nozzle, you can create these curves. Look how pretty this design is looking. On number 3rd, you will get this dense wavy pattern like this, and look, you can also use it this way as well. You can draw these curves and look at this beautiful pattern, how pretty this is looking. You can also make these type of design as well. And here we are also making this large leaf pattern, and look, it's done. You can create these beautiful flower design using this rose nozzle. Look how pretty the flowers are looking. It is very easy to make, and look, you will get these different design using nozzles. Let's decorate cake today. We are going to remove cream from the nozzle and spreading it at the base of the cake like we are doing here. You can also use the same nozzle and create this beautiful design on the top as well. Change the color of the cream like we are doing here, and look, it's done. And look at the leaf pattern. We are going to spread it like this at the center of the cake, and it is already looking very pretty and beautiful. Look how we are going to make it. Now we are using this orange color of cream and make heart shape like we are doing here. You can also make a flower in place of this, decorate it further, add candles and write happy birthday, and look how pretty this is looking. Thank you so much for watching this video.